So what does that mean? Let me pause. I could take a question. If there's any questions, I'm just going to take a sip of water, and I figure we might as well make good use of that time. Okay, moving on. So what I think is really powerful about this is not only is it something to bring teams together and help them collaborate, it's actually giving you positive business outcomes. This is all for a purpose. It's not just team building. We're using these techniques to actually solve challenging problems. So to give you an understanding of what that looks like from a high level, we start from a desired outcome. That could be, we want to go faster, we need to improve quality, we need to incorporate this new acquisition that we've brought into the company, we need to go attack a new market. Any outcome. If you want to get up earlier in the morning, you could set that as your target outcome. There is no limit to what you can set as a target for this. And it works for all kinds of, I've used it for all kinds of things like that. Then we look at the value stream, which is, what is the mechanism that's going to actually deliver that outcome? What's doing it today if we're looking to improve, or what do we need to build in order to get that outcome to happen? So a value stream, for anyone who's not familiar, is just a sequence of activities that it's like a process for delivering value. So we look at that because when we want to deliver a desired outcome, we usually don't want to do it once. In 2021 and beyond, what we want is sustainable value delivery, right? We want to be doing things continuously. We want to be delivering products to customers continuously. We want to make sure that nothing that we put out in the world is going to fall over in 2 weeks or accumulate a bunch of technical or process debt. So a value stream is a way of focusing on how do we actually get this thing done and how do we make sure that it's sustainable. It's going to highlight where our bottlenecks are. Where are we slowing down? Where are things challenging? Where are we wasting time or energy? And that's going to help us look at what in the larger organization is affecting the performance of our value stream. So as we're working, how do our dependencies impact our performance? So that's looking outside of the value stream at things like other teams or legal compliance or regulation or manual work. And once we have an understanding of dependencies, we can take a look at capabilities that will address those dependencies. So if we want to break a dependency, if we have a dependency on an external team or somebody else's product or a library that we need to get rid of, we can assess our capabilities as a mechanism for breaking that dependency. So if I have a dependency on a DevOps team right now, or I have a dependency on a marketing resource, I need to go ask someone for something. I need to send an email to someone to get something done. If I look at capabilities, I can start to understand, okay, could we automate that? Could we bring it into our team? Is there some other alternative? And that's really powerful for improving the flow of value that's going to lead to our target outcome.